Candy Chaos is a first-person shooter adventure where your main character goes to meet her grandma in the veggie village and finds herself in the middle of a scary battle between the evil Candy and the friendly veggies, and she has to help her veggie friends.
The process was very entertaining throughout the whole duration. Of course, it was very entertaining, and being able to talk with my team and basically coming up with all the ideas together and all the features, not only, and all the fun moments that we had to implement inside the game was very fun to do. The struggles that we encounter is that with 2 people working inside of the project, we had a big scope and we had to implement a lot of features, and with each feature there were like 5 bugs coming along with them. So we barely managed to do the whole project by the end of the production, but in the end we managed to pull through.
Probably the funniest moment in the entire production of the game was when we were preparing our presentation. We took turns and bought some real veggies and candies from the supermarket and took turns taking pictures with them in front of the vending machine in the hallway, because our team was called Vending Machine Productions. And that was such an iconic moment for us, because it just pictured how we were not taking ourselves too seriously and always were trying to have as much fun as possible.
The feeling of presenting the game in front of the jury for the last time, it was simply amazing. We had a lot of mixed emotions because we were nervous but excited at the same time. And honestly, we had so many challenges during our journey, but if somebody asks us, we would do it all over again, because we were able to see our final results and it was totally worth it.
Well, during the process, for sure, I learned a lot of stuff, but one thing in particular that I think is the most useful is switching between different disciplines, for example, 2D and 3D. And that really opens opportunities for the future, because you're able to do different things in the industry and be helpful in all kinds of ways.
When everything came to an end, we didn't really need much of a closure with each other, because it didn't feel like what we had was coming to an end. We made some lifelong friendships, so we didn't really say goodbye to each other, rather than see you soon, or we just realized that it's the end of a single chapter, but what's ahead of us is just to be looked forward to.